Here's a quick installation video on how to install the Glock shirt plug for both the Gen 1 through 3 and the Gen 4 models. I like using a towel just to protect your sights. Put it on a hard surface. Take the plug. It'll drop in most of the way by itself, and all you need is one good whack and it's in. By doing it quick and fast, you're not going to stress any of the parts. Here's the SP1. The plugs are not interchangeable. Works the same way. Take a towel, lay it down, make sure the firearm's unloaded. Common sense there. Just drop it in, tap it into place. Simple as that. Thank you and have a good day.